on my third round of conditioner, so I got my package today. I like this packaging a lot better than the other one. Like, I love me some pink, but this is like that one candy. However, I don't like how this bag feels. It's very spooky. It looks like my sophomore year homecoming. Ren. Clean skincare. Daily vitamin C gel cream. I don't think it's broken. What is this? I have no idea how to use this, but it looks very like futuristic, I guess. Then there's this. This is a very skincare centric bag. This is Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser by Rodile. I know sometimes when things say brightening, they have like bleaching chemicals in them. So I hope not, because I'm not in that era anymore. Cocoa Kind Ceramide Barrier Serum. I need me some serum because that is a part of the Korean 10-step to 15 to 25-step skincare routine that I was absolutely obsessed with in 7th grade. Science! This is very cool. The color palette is color paletting. This is, whoa. Bodyography Professional Cosmetics. Eye pencil. So I guess an eyeliner. Lineador de ojos. I don't know quite how to use this, actually. It kind of stays with the palette because like brown and like orange are like the same thing. And then this I chose because you get to choose sometimes. Lash Step Matte About You 12 universal matte shades that are perfect for every day or night. Oh, these are a lot more muted than they were. I want to start doing more like actual makeup looks like on the daily. But I go to online school, so I basically never leave my house. But I feel like if I'm getting dressed and like doing stuff, then I'll be like less depressed. And then I can have more excuses to make a bunch of TikToks and YouTube videos. These are the shades. I feel like these will show up on me though, if I try hard enough. And I like that it has a mirror, because I don't have any other palettes that have a mirror like this, I don't think. I just need to figure out how to open this one. Okay, special shout out to the bat zipper thingy.